How to save CapCut video in gallery in just a few easy steps. Saving your edited video from CapCut to your device's gallery is pretty simple. First, open the CapCut app on your smartphone. If you haven't started a project yet, create one by tapping on New Project and adding your video clips. If you're working with an existing project, just select it from your list. Once you've made all your edits and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to save. Look for the arrow icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and tap it to access the export options. Here, you can adjust the video settings like the resolution and frame rate by tapping the settings next to the resolution option. Just keep in mind that higher quality means a larger file size. When you're ready, hit the export button, often represented by an upward arrow, and wait for CapCut to process and save your video. After it's done, exit the app and check your device's gallery or Photos app to find your saved video. And that's it. You're all set to share your CapCut creations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.